Hello, what's up everyone? So today let's go ahead and unbox a DJI Osmo 6 gimbal stabilizer. So I bought this for shooting a video because we're having difficulty shooting some videos in a difficult position. So even using a camera with a optical stabilizer, so it's still the video is shaky. So it's not too shaky, but still shaky. So now let's go ahead and open up. So I bought this in Shopee. So the regular price was 7,799, so I got a 1,500 peso off with this. So well, buti na lang hindi batuan dubate, so that's a good sign. But let's see if this product is sealed, because I already bought an item before and what I got is a unsealed item. So let's check. Let's see. Okay. Alright, so we have here. Well, what we have is this. So I don't know what is this. This should be a receipt, but no, it's not a receipt. So let's open it. Okay. So hopefully by having this, we would be able to create a more stable video, and we will be able to use this as well with the phones that we are going to test in the future. So a comparison between with gimbal stabilizer and just by taking videos with your phone. So let's open it. It's difficult to open. Oh, here we have a sticker here that you need to peel. There. So not gonna be explaining the specs for this gimbal, because this gimbal has been released for a year now. So there's already a lot of review that went out regarding this device. So having a review for this is too redundant. So let's see. So we have a USB to USB-C cable. We have a pouch. Oh, nice. It's a suede. Hey, is it a suede? Or it's a cloth? It's a cloth suede. Feel like whatever. So what else do we have inside? None, pretty much. That's it. We have this. We have the manual. So I was actually contemplating between this DJI Osmo Mobile 6, or if I should go with Insta360 Flow and the Xeon Smooth 5, I think that's the model. But I opted for DJI because I'm planning to buy DJI products for anything video content related. So it's best to just have one brand instead of getting multiple brands. And the reason behind that, because when it comes to accessories, you're gonna be having a hard time figuring out whether or not the particular what do you call this extra accessories will be compatible with the device or not. So align the phone clamp and magnet. So pretty much I did not watch any hands-on for this, guys, so I'm just doing this as I go. So no preparation or whatever. So it's like that's really a unboxing and hands-on experience as a buyer and as a consumer. So magnetic clamp. So with this, can I power on? Is this okay? This is the power on button. So okay, then what's next? Okay, so it's the magnet there. Wow, it's a strong magnet. There's no joke. So like this there. Okay, let's put the iPhone. So pretty much this is all it is, guys. So it's the gimbal, and you have this tripod that you can connect at the bottom. So let's see. It's actually, oh, it's my mistake. So I should not. Let's remove this first. I thought I have a scratch, but no scratch. So now let's check. Did I place it right? Nope, I did not place it right. So let's take it off again. There. Okay. There. So what now? Okay, so I'm using, so for you to know, I'm using this. This is to, let's check mode. Well, I have no idea what to do. So let's check. So basically, okay. So let's download the DJI app. DJI Osmo. This is the time that you need to read the manual. So let's check the manual. What does it say? Mimo app. So it's the Mimo app. So let's go ahead and look for the Mimo app. So what's happening? What's happening? Mimo there. So we'll just have to double click. Let's wait to download. That's a slow download. That's weird. So so what we have here out of the box is full charge. I'm not familiar with the modes, so there. So it's not 360. So compared to other gimbals, there are other gimbals that does 360. So let's just put this first. Let's attach here. Let's remove it. So let's do that first. There's also a built-in tripod for this, see? It's not long, but at least it will do its job. So what happened with the download? Okay, there we have. Let's open it now. So agree. Join. No. Allow. Up here to connect device. Do we have the Bluetooth? Nope. Connect. Pair. Authorize. Cool. While using the app. Okay. Should be full access, but anyway. Sure you want to exit. Continue questionnaire. Nope. Don't need to go through that. So now let's try. So okay, so it's tilting down, tilting up. Okay, so let's select a different mode. Firmware available. Okay, let's install it. It's gonna be quick. Upgrade failed, so that's okay. We're just gonna deal with that later. So now I'm having this error. I don't know what is that for, but connect camera there. So get started. Did I why see oh, okay, that's the reason why. My fault. So it wasn't properly. So okay, wait a second. Here, let's do this on the other side. was my fault. That was an error from me. But if I'm gonna do this, it's upside down. So I don't know what's the problem. So it's upside down. So anyway, let's record. All right, it's communicating. So but I'm not able to change the mode. Look at that. So it says video. I need to change the ISO. Confirm complete. Okay. So one thing's for sure. I need to figure out what I'm doing here. So it's not like a plug and play. So there is going to be a learning curve for this, obviously. So pressing this. I don't know why we're getting this error. So 1 second. So here is the instructions. Yeah, doesn't help much. Nothing here. Nothing on the box as well that could help us. Okay, well anyway, so I'll just figure this out off camera. So pretty much that's it. Just an unboxing for my new gimbal and stabilizer to help me out with creating stable videos and of course testing also for new mobile phones. So anyway guys, thank you for watching and you have a good day.